It's time to meet this survival gear that is already the latest word in survival raincoats that can be adapted to a temporary outdoor shelter. The Tentsformer, with its hood that reaches 59.05 inches, serves as a durable raincoat. When attached to an alpenstock, it becomes a tarp-like structure that resists wind, sun, and light rain, providing shelter and protection. Sold in pairs, the poncho becomes a tent when combined with a zipper, stakes, and guy lines. The poncho panels have shoulder emblems and act as airflow windows in shelter mode. Suitable for bushcrafters, solo adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts, this survival kit is an affordable option that'll help you survive in comfort in the wilderness without spending a fortune. Incredible, right? But not as much as the next tool. What if I told you there was a flashlight that made the list of survival tools on Amazon? The FlashTorch 250 from Wicked Lasers has been compared to military and intelligence flashlights. Made from rugged aerospace aluminum, it can melt metal and ignite wood with its 250-watt bulb. Its 12,000 lumen beam is visible up to 2 nautical miles. The battery lasts 50 minutes and provides solar clarity. It also stuns intruders and controls aggressive dogs. Ideal for nighttime security or emergency camping, fishing, and hunting. There are 3 brightness modes and safety fuses, easy to charge with the included adapter and stylish case. Powerful and versatile for personal and professional use. When it comes to light, this tool will become your best friend. But what if we take a look at our next tool? Are you an outdoor enthusiast who enjoys camping, hiking, or backpacking? If you're passionate about collecting innovative gear and gadgets, this resource is for you. Introducing the latest addition to your gear collection, survival lanyards. If you venture into the wilderness, you know how important it is to have the right survival gear. Carrying heavy, bulky gear can be cumbersome and limit your mobility. These survival lanyards offer much more than meets the eye. They're made from 550 paracord, a tough rope with 7 nylon strands and a fishing line at its core. This product is sold at $15 per pair. There are several length options, ranging from 122 to 213 centimeters. Alternatively, you can pay an additional $6 to purchase a 122-centimeter cord for hoodies. This is an innovative and patented technology that serves as a survival tool designed to preserve, facilitate, and assist in the protection of loved ones, children, and lost or injured pets. RADNA devices are designed to preserve life and facilitate the location of lost or injured individuals. With its geolocation technology, this device helps you be located at any time, and it also features a 3000 mAh battery for those emergency situations when you don't have a nearby power outlet. And if the emergency persists, it has a solar panel to recharge itself. When it comes to survival gear, wait until you see our next tool, which is a must-have in your car when you go hiking. The Camillus Carnivore X Machete is a versatile tool for outdoorsmen and adventurers. With its 12-inch blade and durable titanium coating, it is an all-around solution for outdoor activities. The titanium blade is exceptionally durable, up to 3 times stronger than untreated steel, and retains its sharpness in demanding environments. In addition to cutting, it can be used to saw, chisel, and chop wood, making it essential for hunting, camping, hiking, and exploring. It comes with a durable ballistic nylon sheath for safe and comfortable carrying and a detachable trimming knife. In short, the Carnivore X is a quality, multifunction tool that will power your outdoor adventures in any situation. Today, you can learn about an innovative survival tool, how to use quick loaders for efficient reloading of Stinger crossbows. These magazines, located on the bottom of the compact model, are designed to load 5 arrows, although the magazine has a capacity of 6 arrows. There are 2 specific reasons for this configuration. The first, the extremely sharp-tipped model, shows the importance of the arrow holster. This holster is essential to protect you from the sharp arrowheads. When you put it on, you'll notice that if you have 5 arrows, the task is extremely easy. If you have trouble with that cap, you can hold it down with your thumb to make it easier to insert. The second reason is that the magazine is designed for 5 arrows to allow you to reload while you still have an arrow in the magazine. You do not need to completely empty the magazine before reloading. Simply insert an extra arrow, and to use it, push up and forward on the magazine with your thumb. Pull it out and the reload is complete. And there's more, so don't even think about skipping the video because you'll regret missing the ending. Prepare to be blown away. The geniuses behind this shovel played all in one and won. Imagine a shovel that's like a Swiss Army gardening knife, but on steroids. This wonder is less than 3 feet long and does the work of 21 tools, including a saw, a knife, and a bottle opener. To make sure this incredible creation runs smoothly, they chose a combination of 440C steel and 6063 aluminum alloy. If you need something even more compact, you can get the same shovel in size S. This pocket-sized version is only 60 centimeters long. The price starts at just $89. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to dig, saw, chop, cut, crack open a beer, and look like a superhero, this shovel is your best friend. And if you liked the Baja shovel, wait until you see the next must-have survival tool. It's as simple as it is stylish. Join us on an exciting journey to Asgard, where the creators of these pendants found inspiration in Thor's iconic hammer. These are not traditional metal pendants, but are made of titanium, and their names are as simple as they are evocative. The larger pendant answers to the name Thor, while the smaller one is called Loki. These pendants surprise with their versatility, as they are elegant pieces of jewelry for festive occasions and practical tools for camping. In addition to their functionality, they are notoriously lightweight, such as the Loki model, which weighs just 4 grams. They're also water resistant, making them ideal for outdoor activities and look great when worn together. Although the price remains a mystery, you can sign up on the official website to receive the latest updates and keep an eye out for this exciting new product. If what you want is to stay updated, then wait to see our upcoming tool, which is the latest in survival gear. Have you ever wished you could remove those pesky high limbs from trees without having to climb to dangerous heights? The high limb saw is the ideal solution for safely cutting high limbs. Its innovative design incorporates strategic weights in the handle to make it easy to throw the rope over the branch. The efficient chainsaw blade allows for bi-directional cuts, reducing effort. It includes 2 20-foot lengths of 300-pound paracord rope for a durable connection. The saw is rugged and comes with a storage bag to keep it in perfect condition. The high limb makes maintenance work safe and efficient, eliminating the need to climb trees or use ladders. Water One, with more than half a century of experience in the bottled water business and specializing in water purification, offers its customers an advanced filter for only $33. This filter not only guarantees the elimination of bacteria, viruses, and parasites, but it also reduces the radioactivity levels in the water. One of the outstanding features of this device is its simultaneous cleaning capacity through 2 cartridges, with a total cleaning capacity of 1,135 liters and an impressive speed of 500 milliliters per minute. In addition, this filter adapts to a wide range of configurations, making it convenient for outdoor activities such as hiking or camping. The Water One makes enjoying clean, safe water in any environment an easy and affordable task. This versatile tape will be your best friend on your next outdoor adventure. Its usefulness is only limited by the creativity of the user, as it can be used for a variety of purposes, from a water reservoir to a tent cord to holding a bandage to protecting your feet from blisters. With a width of 5 centimeters, it is waterproof and strong enough to build a makeshift shelter, but at the same time, it can be easily cut into strips with your own hands. This tape is undoubtedly the ultimate survival tool you won't want to leave behind in your kit. And when you see the price, you'll want to go out and buy it right now. This product retails for $11 per roll. If you thought this little survival reel was awesome, wait until you see the end of the video with the gadget we have for you. You won't believe it. Can you imagine carrying your own power generator in your pocket? This little power plant is designed to bring electricity to places where it has never been before. To do this, simply place it in a water bottle-sized structure next to the nearest stream, where its 6,400 mAh battery will fully charge in about 4.5 hours. The device has a power output of 2.5 to 5 watts and surprisingly weighs only 800 grams. It also has a starting price of $180. This innovative invention has not only gained the support of Kickstarter backers, who pledged more than $140,000, but it's also attracted the attention of the media, including Insider and The Guardian, who highlighted this amazing technological breakthrough. Impressive, isn't it?